Hi everyone, my name is Priyanshi and welcome back to my channel again. So as you guys may have seen my previous video where I have showed you that I cleared my intermediate group 1 exams in new scheme, and this time I did everything through the YouTube only. That means the free lectures which are available on the YouTube. As we all know that advanced account get little bit changed, the merger of accounts and the advanced account from the group 1 and group 2, and there were few addition in the law subject, there were few addition in the GST, there were amendment in the income tax, so everything got bit changed, or there were some addition and the subtraction, etc. So at this point of time I thought to purchase any classes, but I lately thought why to purchase classes? I can do everything through the YouTube if it is possible or available. Then I searched everywhere and I got very nice channels, I'll say, and I did everything through that only, and they were pretty helpful and I cleared hopefully very. So I'll be sharing with you guys all those YouTube channels which helped me to clear my CA intermediate group 1 as per the new scheme. And I can say if you are starting from scratch or you are going for the revision, for everything these will be sufficient for you to do your CA intermediate group 1 preparation. Even from the starting you are doing, they will help you to clear exams definitely. So this video is going to be helpful for you, I can say that, and I am so impressed by these channels and you will be as well. So without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Let's start with the very first subject, that is advanced account. Well, I got 55 marks in the advanced account, and I followed study material only of the ICI study modules, nothing else, and at the end few RTPs, MTPs and PYQ, not too much, few. You should follow as much as you can, you should do as much as you can, but I did few. I didn't had that much time, but yeah, I did study material very well. Like I did multiple revisions, I'll say. So the first teacher I followed for the advanced account is Nitin Goyal sir. So from the Nitin Goyal sir, I did the whole chapters, we can say the third module from the ICI. I did those chapters from the Nitin Goyal sir only, and he has provided you complete conceptual clarity, illustrations, back exercise question, everything. When he was in an academy, these videos are not for the now, like they are previous videos, but they will help you a lot and you will not need anything else. I can say this for the chapters, because, and even though he has also provided you AS as well, but I did few AS from him, AS I did from other teacher. So for the chapters you can go, or I can say that for the third module you can go by the Nitin Goyal sir without any doubt. And you will just search each chapter on the YouTube and you will get the separate playlist of every chapter, where you will get everything in just one playlist of that chapter from the Nitin Goyal sir. Then comes for the AS, there is CA Parag sir, Parag Gupta I guess. I did from him all the AS, and oh my god, his way of teaching is so smooth, so perfect, and if you have seen his video you can relate with me, because his way of teaching is so smooth, and I like the way he taught. I didn't go for the whole chapters from him, so I don't know how, and they will be good, I mean of course they will be good, but I didn't do those chapters from him. I did all the AS from him only. So for the AS I followed CA Parag sir, Parag Gupta sir, and for the chapters third module I did from Nitin Goyal sir. Then there is one more channel, that is Bhavna's Online Academy. If you are the one who wants to watch the chapters or the AS in the English, then you can go for her also, and her notes are very helpful. I have seen her notes and I just did few AS notes by her only from the her telegram channel that she has provided on her own channel. So third channel is this one, you can go for her, even though you will be okay with the first two, that is Parag sir and Nitin Goyal sir. You will be completely done with those teachers only. But if you want more and you are somewhere confused in any chapter or AS, or you want someone else as well, then you can go for the Bhavna's Online Academy as well. So these were the three channels that I followed. Now let's talk about the second subject, that is corporate and other laws. For that I have two teachers, that is number one is Shubham Singhal sir and the second is Harsh Gupta sir. So for the Shubham Singhal sir, I'll say that I did firstly his revision lectures which are available on YouTube for the May 24 attempt, and they will be useful for you for the September 24, January 25 and more. So they are applicable completely for any of the attempt in the new regime. So I did the revision lectures from him, after which I used to go through the study material, and this is how I did in the starting. After which I did second time I did through the Harsh Gupta sir, when he uploaded the marathon of the corporate law, and there were few chapters of the other laws, and I purchased his compact book because I really like that. I also purchased that in the previous attempt as well, so I purchased it again for the new syllabus, as per the new syllabus, because there were few additions, so I thought why not to just purchase it. Compact book, I purchased that and I go through that only in the revision time. So it was pretty helpful to me, and I got 57 marks in law. Now comes subject number 3, that is taxation. So for the income tax, I'll say I have 3 teachers. Number 1, we have Jasmeet Singh sir, and I did his marathons. I watched his marathons and made the notes by him only, and it was really helpful. And after which I used to do study material questions. I didn't go for any other question books. I did taxation questions by the study material only. In the starting, I'll tell you later scenario as well. So I did the questions from the study material. After which I went for the BB sir. Like if I had some doubts in any chapter, then I went for the BB sir also, Bhavan sir, and I did his lectures. They were amazing. You can go for them without any doubt. I used to watch his revision lecture when he uploaded them, and after that I, like before the exam, one day before the exam, I did super 30 questions of BB sir, and if you will do them, you will have another level of confidence. You'll know that you will pass or not, and I did all the questions very perfectly. I mean, I just cleared every doubt. If I was not able to solve, I watched his videos on the YouTube, and I did those super 30 questions after the study material questions. And if you have more doubt in any of the chapter, then you can go for the Vijay Sadar sir as well. I did 2 chapters by him, that is deduction and TDS TCS, and he is also very nice. His fast track batch is also on the YouTube, completely free, so you can go for him as well for the taxation. So these are the 3 teachers which I followed, mostly BB sir and Jasmeet sir, and Vijay Sadar sir for the 2 chapters. So these were the 3 teachers that I followed for the income tax. Now comes GST. Firstly, I followed Vishal Bhattad sir. I watched his revision lectures of GST on the YouTube, and I downloaded his notes PDF which he provided on his Telegram. So I used to first go through his revision lecture, and then used to read that PDF form. Charts, basically they were charts, and they were very helpful. So first I did this by him only. After this I did my revision by the Jasmeet Singh sir. He has uploaded the marathon as well in the GST, but I followed the notes of the Vishal Bhattad sir only, because if you go through different notes, you will get confused. So go through a single notes that you have prepared by yourself or any of the teachers, but follow one type of notes. After which I'll tell you one more teacher, that is Amit Mahajan sir. I watched his video. He also teaches income tax. You can go for the income tax as well, and his way of teaching is really nice. But I watched his video one day before the exam, his marathon basically, and there was a chapter, I will say this, there was a chapter that is place of supply. This is a new addition in the GST, and I was not getting clarity in that chapter. I was very confused in that chapter before, but when I watched his video, I think in marathon, I think it is around 30 minutes or 40 minutes around video, it is about this chapter, and you will learn that in one go or in 2 goes. Just you have to watch that 2 times and you'll learn that chapter completely. And I was so impressed, like how easily I got this in my mind, and the question come from that chapter was of 5 marks. So I was very happy after watching his marathon for this particular chapter. So these were the 3 teachers that I followed for the GST. Well, these were the channels which helped me to clear my CA Intermediate Group 1, and I will completely recommend you without even a doubt that you can go for any of these teachers. They are super amazing, or their combination as I did. And if you have any other teachers, you can tell that in the comment section for the others. And yeah, that was about it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.